What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be taking a look at the brand new Leo's Rollover RC buggy. So let's open it up and see what kind of features we got right out of the box. All right, so not a ton of suspension. Kind of got a weird swivel on the back end. Okay, that's kind of interesting. And then the front, looks like we don't have a really strong turning radius. We don't really have true suspension, just a pivot actually. But the tires are also pretty hard. You just kind of turn on a pivot there. And here's our controller. So let's get Leo charged up and out on the rocks. All right, so we're gonna test out the slow crawl really quick. I'm just gonna tap the trigger as gently as I can here. Oh shit! So even though it does have some sort of steering links, steering works like this, off the back side, rotating at a 45-degree angle. But I was actually kind of shocked to see that it is proportional steering. It's actually a lot more sensitive than I was expecting. Steering radius isn't great. The tires don't grip. There's like no clearance at all. It's super top heavy. It's literally designed to roll over. Alright, so what do you expect for $12 from Walmart, huh? So, obviously, this thing couldn't crawl save its life, but it's pretty cute. I mean, silly. I actually do kind of like the way that it twists up when you make a turn and lifts the front tires off the ground, but it can't crawl for shit. However, the wheelbase is just right for 18th scale stuff. So I could see potentially using this body to just kind of make a silly, fun crawler. Might be a little top heavy, but could be pretty funny. Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember to like and subscribe and click the links below for some stickers we got available on the California Worldwide website. Peace.